Okay, so today we have a unboxing of another Baseus product. This is the Reboost Jumpstarter with portable energy storage power supply from the Baseus InAuto range. So it is basically a portable jump starter. Some of these have been becoming quite popular on online as good ways to jumpstart your car due to their compact size. Portability, as you can see here, it's got a carrying handle. This one is a newer model than most others on the market. And it has a built-in USB power bank and a 220 volt / 100 watt power point. So you can see that on the side there. There is actually a power socket with they make two models of this, different voltages, one for 110 volts and this is the 220 volt version. So you have a brief overview of what is on the unit itself. Box got a little banged up in shipping, but that's to be expected with AliExpress shipping options. The product inside should be fine though, as we'll see soon. So it's got a USB output, so that's the USB charging port, the output charging port, and then you have a Type-C input / output. So this is where you charge the power bank / jump starter, and that is, so you have two USB ports, one Type-C, one Type-A, and then you have a DC output, and then you also have emergency lighting here, high beam, low beam, and then on the back you have an idea of how big it is. So it looks to be quite small. It's about 890 grams, so about 1 kilo. It has a 4000 milliamp hour battery, lithium ion, and this is the model BS-CN01. I'll put some of the specifications in the YouTube description, but overall it's just charging rates basically. DC output is 12 to 16.8 volts at 8 amps max, and AC output is 220 volts at 50 hertz, 100 watts. So it won't do things like heaters and stuff, but if you want to plug in another laptop charger or something, you can, and it should work just fine on the PowerPoint. So we'll open it up here. And typical authenticity sticker there. So let's take open the top, and oh, that's nice. It comes with a pretty compact carrying case. So that's what you are looking at. But we'll open this one up and get inside. Quite a nice case actually. That's surprising. So here you have your jump starter cables. So that plugs into the unit and jump starts your car. Yeah, quite nice packaging. And then you have the standard Baseus sticker, warranty card, and instruction book. It's a nice foam divider there with a little pouch. So it's obviously designed to stay in your car. And here's the product itself. So quite a nice design, hard plastic. That is the jump starter port. That's the lights there. So we have two modes there. You can turn both of them on. So this is for use on the side of the road if you get stuck and you need a bit of light. And then this is the cover, and that shows you your ports. So it's in a storage charge for shipping, but there's your ports there, and that's your socket. So I'll leave it at that for this review. It's pretty straightforward, pretty compact unit, and it's got a nice carrying case. I might do another video on this in action as a power bank, but otherwise thanks for watching.